Alright, so let's dive into a common problem that you might encounter while working with files on your computer. Picture this. You're trying to make a copy of a file in a specific directory, but you want to keep the original file name structure. Now here comes the interesting part of the problem. How can you achieve this without going through the hassle of typing out the entire file path multiple times? Well, fear not, because there's a neat little solution for this that involves using a nifty command in the terminal. Now let's talk about the solution. By utilizing the following command, cp-pathtoth file.txt file.copy, you can cleverly create a copy of the file with a new name, all in one go. This seemingly magical snippet expands to cp-pathtothfile.txt-pathtothfile.copy, saving you time and keystrokes. Isn't that just brilliant? Efficiency at its finest. In summary, we've explored a handy trick to duplicate files with a twist, making your file management tasks a breeze. I hope this little nugget of knowledge proves to be useful in your daily tech adventures. Remember to subscribe for more helpful tips, like this video if you found it helpful, and drop a comment below with your favorite tech hack. Until next time, happy coding!